सो आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं रिटर्डक्शन फैक्टर और आर एफ वैल्यू विच कम्स इन द 5 मार्क क्वेश्चन. सो 5 मार्क और 10 मार्क क्वेश्चन. सो व्हाट इज आर एफ वैल्यू एंड व्हाट इज इट and how it is applicable in the homeopathy pharmacy, how it is application, we discuss one by one with this video. So if you want to know what is RF and how it is used and what are the significance point, how we calculated it, all these things are written in this video. Okay, तो RF value what is it और RF को क्या बोलते हैं, उसको हम रिटार्डेशन फैक्टर भी बोलते हैं, दैट इज रिटार्डेशन फैक्टर और रिलेटिव फ्रंट. सो व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड रिटार्डेशन फैक्टर एंड व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड रिलेटिव फ्रंट, इट्स हैविंग ए लॉजिक. इसका एक लॉजिक होता है क्यों इसको रिटार्डेशन फैक्टर बोलते हैं और इसको रिलेटिव फ्रंट क्यों बोलते हैं. फर्स्ट थिंग, बाय दिस व्हेन वी राइट एनीथिंग इन द एग्जाम वी शुड राइट ए डेफिनेशन. सो आर ए वैल्यू, इट इज ए वैल्यू, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज हैविंग ए मैथमेटिकल इक्वेशन. And so it's a mathematical equation you can see here, that is RF is equal to x by y, or RF is equal to the ratio of distance of a substance moves compared with the distance reached by a solvent in front, both measured from a point of the application of the sample is termed as RF. So what does it means it is a ratio, it is a division. क्या है, एक डिवीजन तो है ना, ये क्या है, कुछ नहीं है, एक डिवीजन है. किसका डिवीजन, एक डिस्टेंस, दो डिस्टेंस के बीच में डिवीजन होता है. एक डिस्टेंस हमारा होता है सॉल्वेंट का और दूसरे डिस्टेंस होता है हमारा सॉल्यूट का. सो व्हाट इज सॉल्यूट एंड व्हाट इज सॉल्वेंट. इफ आई टेक ए एग्जाम्पल, दैट इज इफ वी टेक ए calendula mother tincture. If I take calendula mother tincture solvent, RF value preparation, RF value, what is its calendula mother tincture RF value. How we calculate? First thing, we take calendula mother tincture in a separate form, means we take x form, x of the calendula, that is the solute, whereas y is the its mother tincture, means all the parts which are included to form the mother tincture. That's why it is called as the solvent, and the solute means the drug, that is the ratio. So the ratio of a distance of the substance which move from the substance move compared to the distance reached by the solvent, both are measured at the point of application of the sample, means the origin, it is the origin, from origin it is what it is measured, that is the point of application of the sample. The sample, if we take mother tincture, we put it on that place. Then we take the TLC. This is the what? This is the TLC sample. When we just take upward and see what happened, the x, means the calendula moves up to x, whereas its mother tincture other substance are move up to y, and they are, when we divided it, then we find the RF value. Okay, I think you understand what is RF and why it is called retardation. Why it is called, because here the when we take the x and y, because when the solute and the solvent becomes retard, they do not move further, that's why they having the retard term here used, that's why we called as also retardation factor. Here the spelling mistake occurs, so that I written upper. Then the relative front, why it is called a relative front, we discuss by the way. So what are the characteristics of the RF. RF का कैरेक्टरिस्टिक क्या होता है, उसका कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स मीन्स वो किस के ऊपर डिपेंड होता है, वो डिपेंड होता है सब्सटेंस, which substance we take, which solvent we use for the preparation of that substance, means the any preparation or solution which we solvent use, and the TLC paper, and the at that time the temperature what is. So it is used to assist. Why it is used? It is, what is the significance? That's thing I written here. The point I written about the significance. So its significance is to assist the identify. इसको significance होता है क्या है कि those component, what are the component or mixture in the TLC TLC में जो सब कंपोनेंट को हम मिक्सचर करके दिए हुए उसका एक एक डिफरेंट माने उसको आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए हम RF का यूज करते हैं. तो व्हाट इज RF? वी डिस्कस दिस thing we discuss. Then RF is it observe a principle. What is its principle? So its principle is that when we take all those things in normal, means normal temperature, normal solvent should be normal, and the absorbent those TLC paper means absorbent, when they are all are normal, then in the solute means the X is moved with constant ratio with solvent, means when X move in that way, in Y move that's way, means it is move with a constant. That is the thing, means they having the principle is that they move the solvent and the solute are moved in a constant ratio in the solvent in front. That's why means solvent in front means this is the TLC in front. On that thing I discussed. What is X? I written solute. What is Y? That is a solvent in front. That is the solvent in front of the solvent. The solute is moved and they move in a constant ratio. That is the principle. Okay. And what is X by Y? That is RF. That is retardation factor. In this way we discuss what is retardation factor and what is the definition, characteristics, measurement and principle. Okay, I think you understand what are the important things which we should remind in that point. So I hope you understand. Thank you.